Hey, what's up guys? My name is Peter aka Styler and welcome to my zentech channel. In this video I'm going to review the DOOGEE V20, a rock, dust and waterproof smartphone with some unique special features. More to that later in the video. So first of all, I got this phone with some extra goodies, a small bag branded with DOOGEE, and inside it we find a cap with the DOOGEE logo, all in black. And this actually seems to be in a pretty nice quality. Plus I also found a small DOOGEE branded micro USB stick containing some spec sheets and pictures. So now to the full unboxing. The phone comes in this black box with a sticker in the corner saying V20. It comes with 8GB of RAM and 265GB storage. It is powered by the MediaTek Dimensity 700 chipset clocked at 2.2 GHz, plus the ARM Mali G57 GPU. It has a 6.4-inch 2K AMOLED hole-punch display with 409 ppi and 500 nits brightness. There's a side fingerprint sensor integrated into the power button and support for Face ID. Dual 5G nano SIM plus micro SD card support. A 6000 mAh battery with 33W PD fast charge plus support for 15W wireless charging. A 64MP triple AI camera with 4x optical zoom. 2K video recording, Nightvision and a LED flash. Built-in solid liquid gas cooling system so it never overheats. A customizable key for apps on the left side. Multicolored notification LED. And last but not least, a rear mini 1-inch touched color display. So you are probably wondering what this white tool is, more to that later. The included wall charger is big, because this is a 33W PD fast charger using USB Type-C. The thought is good because charging a 6000 mAh battery with standard speed would take some time. With this fast charger it should be a lot quicker. Then we also find a OTG cable compatible with USB Type-C and a USB Type-C to Type-C. Let's put the phone aside for now and let's check the rest. First some standard wet and dry wipes and an extra screen protector, which is just a thin layer, so not tempered glass. Basic info and an English user manual with a QR code. So now to the phone. Actually I now see that it already comes with a pre-installed thick tempered screen protector out of the box. So we have double protection, Gorilla Glass plus tempered glass on top. That's nice. So now we have to use the white toolbar. In the bottom we have a cover for the USB Type-C port. This cover is sealed, so this is 100% waterproof. With the nail it can be hard to open, so that's why this tool is included. And here we now see the USB Type-C port. On the left side we find another cover. This is in fact for the dual nano plus SD card tray. You can open it with your hands, but it's a lot easier using the tool. And again you see that this is extra sealed so that water can't get in. Here you can use 2 nano SIMs or 1 nano plus 1 micro SD card. So the phone has a full rocked metal frame where the sides stand out. And on the back military grade carbon fiber finish. Overall it in fact looks pretty badass and rough. The phone in real weighs 306 gram, while on paper it in fact only said 296 gram, but that doesn't really make any difference. The triple AI camera setup consists of a 64MP Samsung S5K3 HDR main sensor, a 8MP Samsung S5K4 130° FOV wide angle sensor, and a 20MP Sony IMX350 night vision sensor. So that's pretty impressive. So on the left side we find the SIM tray and a special custom key, which can be customized freely with hold, single or double click. On the right we find 2 round volume buttons and a power button with an integrated fingerprint sensor. And in the bottom, as already shown, the USB Type-C and a single speaker. The rear carbon fiber finish together with the DOOGEE logo in grey looks awesome. The plate for the triple camera setup together with a LED flash and a rear mini display is big but fits nicely into the rest of the design. Wireless charging is supported with 15W and this works perfectly fine. Here you see it in action. The display is on 6.4 inch with 2K AMOLED. It features a hole punch and 20:9 display ratio with 409 ppi. The top and bottom bezels are not exactly thin, but for a rugged phone I guess this is okay. Both HD, 4G Plus and 5G is fully supported in both SIM slots. The phone offers AMOLED with 500 nits and great viewing angles, colors are deep and the picture is sharp and clear. And it of course supports 10-point multitouch, so we here get the best of the best. And with AMOLED we also get the choice of tweaking the colors in the settings. The side fingerprint sensor works great, it is accurate with acceptable speed, and the same for the Face ID unlock, which let you unlock the display by just looking at it. The UI is smooth and fast, no lag or hiccups. The stock theme also features small animations inside the icons, in my opinion a funny small gimmick. Out of the box it comes with the Google Play Store, and this one is also certified. Here a quick look inside the settings for the fingerprint sensor and the Face ID unlock. With the fingerprint you can also unlock some extra features, for instance answer call, return to home, etc. With the custom key on the left you can open any app on the phone. This works with a single click, double click or long press. Here I have set it up with YouTube, the phone dialer and the flashlight. Inside the security app you can also set up something called App Lock. With that you can lock any app. Here I have done Messages, and then just unlock using a pattern or fingerprint. The phone runs Android 11, let's just verify it here. And here a quick look at the phone settings. OTA updates are supported, and in fact I already got one update while I tested the device. Now a quick look at the launcher. Here are different themes to choose from. The widgets, effects and some stock wallpapers. Because of Android 11 it also supports the split screen feature. Here you see it now with the file manager and the Google Play Store. Out of the box it comes with no app drawer, but if you rather want an app drawer then you can in home settings activate it. The display offers 500 nits, and actually I lowered the brightness a lot for the video. You see here that it can go a lot higher. It also has NFC built in, and this has full support for Google Pay. It offers light and dark mode, where I prefer dark mode as this will save some power, especially with this AMOLED screen. Nice to see is that it also features a real notification LED. Here are some settings. I have seen it blink blue but also green, so this is multicolored. The phone only has a single speaker in the bottom. It's loud but the quality is unfortunately nothing special. Let's listen to it here. The GPS seems to be fast and good, at least if we should believe GPS test. Unfortunately I did not have the time for testing it with a navigation app. It includes almost all kind of sensors, and also gyroscope works fast and perfect in 360 VR. Out of the box it comes with some outdoor tools. The first one is compass. After calibrating it, this works really good. And here a lot of other tools which I will not comment on. Game Turbo is another cool stock app on the phone. With this you can optimize your installed games and tweak the phone performance to the max. Let's just test out Call of Duty. It only runs with medium quality but with high frame rate. And overall it runs very fast and smooth. It is definitely playable. In AnTuTu it gets close to 361,000 points and 532 plus 1631 in GeekBench, which for a rugged smartphone is more than enough. One of the most interesting features on the V20 is the rear mini display. It is in full color and with touch. Here you see the settings for the display. There are different themes for the clock style, in-call and music player. Let's just test out some different clocks. This is really nice. With a double tap you wake the display and then you can swipe to change to the music player. While the music is playing you have the full control. The alarm does also work together with this. And here a test with an in-call where you then can accept or reject. SMS notifications, which will display a small animated icon. Overall a nice funny gimmick. I for fun also tested the charging speed together with the app called Ampere. Here it showed me 5300 mAh. The included Fastcharger charges from 0 to 37% in 30 minutes, which is okay considered the big size of the battery. The 6000 mAh long-lasting battery can with heavy mixed usage be used 2 to 3 days. Or up to 28 hours of talk time and 18 days standby. Besides of Google apps, it also comes with digital well-being, a easy launcher mode, children's space which can be locked to certain apps or games, It is pretty feature packed, and in the settings we also find intelligent assistance, smart touch which can make control and navigation easier. The phone supports normal on-screen buttons even with a customized background color, or you can control everything with swipe gestures, which I prefer. The top hole punch can be hidden if you don't want to see it. Instead you then will get a black border around the hole. The camera app supports super macro zoom, 4x optical zoom, beauty mode and portrait mode with real bokeh. The front camera is on 60 megapixel with zoom and using the Samsung S5K3 ISOCELL sensor. Videos can be recorded in up to 2K and the built-in microphone is clear and loud. The main camera is a Samsung S5K3 with 64 megapixel. The wide angle camera is a 8 megapixel Samsung S5K4 with 130 degree FOV, and last the Nightvision is on 20 megapixel using the Sony IMX350 sensor. Overall the cameras do a good job, not on Samsung flagship level, but for a rugged phone more than enough. Here's some different samples. One, two, three. This is a test. With YouTube you can play 1080p at 60 frames per second smooth, but also 1440p will work fine. 1440p at 60 frames per second is also possible, but here you may experience very small hiccups. So that's it for the video. Now to my final verdict. The DOOGEE V20 is a nice rugged water and dust proof smartphone with special features like a 2K AMOLED display, Nightvision, super macro zoom, wireless charging, NFC, notification LED and an innovative rear mini display. It does not only look tough, it really is rock solid and features Gorilla Glass, metal body and a rear carbon fiber finish. In daily use the phone feels fast, stable, feature packed and has a long lasting battery. The quality is really good. It is hard to find any real downsides, but if I should mention some, it must be the relative high price because it's not really cheap. Second, the cameras, which are okay, but still just give average quality compared to high-end flagships. Also it is missing dual speakers, as there is only one at the bottom, and the quality is a bit flat with almost no bass. That being said, remember we are here talking about an outdoor smartphone and not a design model. And while I have used and tested the phone, I was always pleased with its performance and features. So if you are currently looking for a rugged outdoor phone, then it is definitely worth considering the DOOGEE V20. So if you have any questions, feel free to leave a comment below. Drop a like if you enjoyed it and please subscribe for more upcoming videos. Thank you for watching this video and I hope to see you in my next one.